want to do a big burp.
Now, we're just going to do a burping video. Hopefully it works. Oh, God, I told you, right. Oh, can't do it too big at the moment, because I've just eaten. Mine's just really deep but not long. Yours is just big and long. Fucking hell. God damn it. It's just what my kids do. Wait.
Okay, after this burp, we're going to end this video and we're going to look.
I can't get it stuck on my belly now. Wait.
Hey guys!
I've got it now. Right. Right, that's the end of our video. See you next time.